What's up everyone? It's me, your Sulitri John Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries, a mega love shot of mga ka-Jeromantics, because we are back for another reaction video for Jerome Bardome na ni-request din nyo dahil kumanta ulit siya sa Papua New Guinea Asians Community Day ng Make the World Go Away. Yes! Exciting to guys dahil nga di ba na-invite siya dati sa Papua New Guinea, and now he has another performance for the Asians Community Day. Thank you so much for requesting this for me. And of course, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chule Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, you're playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys.
Make the world go away.
Oh my God. Oh my God, dami nanonood.
Get it off,
Grabe yung
get it
focus ni
off
Jerome.
my shoulder.
Very Elvis talaga.
Say the things we used to say.
Ganda nung lambing ng boses.
And make the world, make it go away.
Grabe yung low tone and yung atake. Giving the Elvis vibes.
Do you remember when you loved me?
Saka yung storytelling, no? Iba. Ooh, ayan na naman tayo sa mga kending ni Jerome.
Yes, baby. Well, if you do, please forgive me.
Grabe yung hagod.
Make the world, make it go away.
Ganda ng low tone, no?
Yeah, make the
Whoa!
world go away.
Oh my God! I love that vocal flair kasi it gives excitement, no? At saka adding the flavor sa performance. Lambing. Very sultry vocal ni Jerome na Elvis way. Ito yung placement ng vocal. Amazing. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Bardome for Make the World Go Away. Oh my gosh, nabitin tayo. Sobrang ikli naman po ng link na binigay niyo sa akin. Hindi ko alam na gano'n lang pala siya kaikli, guys. Grabe naman yon. But nonetheless, baka may full performance po. Comment down below. I-send nyo sa akin ng link. Gusto ko panood yung buong performance, guys. But thank you so much. Grabe, hindi ko talaga nakita, guys. Kasi link, whenever I do reaction video, kapag nagsasend kayo ng link, niloload ko lang siya and then I'm gonna play it dun mismo kapag nagfi-film na tayo. So, para hindi ko siya napanood before ako mag-react. Kasi hindi ko talaga siya pinapanood before ko gawa ng reaction. So, nabitin ako, guys. Ako na yun na yun. Parang ganon. So, thank you so much pa din for sharing this video to me. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo at nabitin din kayo, hanapin nyo ang full performance at i-comment nyo yan sa ating comment section. And of course, if you're new to this channel, kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chule Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Chule Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.